Firstly, good morning and namaste from India. I am your Hindi teacher Suman, and today's Hindi lesson number 14. I am going to teach you the concept of has and have in Hindi. So, before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, that is Learn Hindi with Sumanjee, and you can follow me on Instagram, that is suman.thakur2122. So, let's start and begin the concept of has and have in Hindi. So before to explain the concept of has and have in Hindi, I want you to please draw your attention here in this PPT and especially focus in this word pass, pass, pass. Okay? So this pass word or phrase, it will help you to understand the concept of has and have in Hindi in the very beginning of the PPT. So I am going to read this. I have a pen, मेरे पास एक पेन है. दिस इज द हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन. मेरे पास एक पेन है. आई हैव अ कंप्यूटर. मेरे पास एक कंप्यूटर है. मेरे पास एक कंप्यूटर है. शी हैज अ कार. उसके पास कार है. उसके पास कार है. So what have we understood? You need to try to guess and think that probably this pass must have the meaning of has and have in Hindi. We are not sure, but I am going to explain you. So let's understand in Hindi that has have. What's the meaning in Hindi? So in Hindi, pass or rakhna. Has and have has a meaning of pass and rakhna. In English, it is possess and when you keep something. Okay? So let us understood in the broader way explanation. When do we use this pass in Hindi? So, when subject confirmed and claim that the object is belongs to him or her, he, she possess, keep, and hold that object with him or her. Such type of scenario and sentences we use pass in Hindi, and that is I have in English. So what I am trying to say in this and in this complete sentence or explanation, that when subject, okay, when subject is trying to claimed that object is with them, and he claimed that he or she is the owner of that object, or that object is keep with is possessed with them, they hold with them, or they claimed that it is with them, that time we referred has and have in Hindi is pass. That is the meaning I have explained here. Okay. Apart of that, I want to share with you that there will be a cases when pass also will be used in Hindi. That time you don't possess that object with you, don't claim, but that sentence will be entirely different that I will read in the further PPTs. So let us understood how the structure of the sentence will be. The structure of sentence will be ideally in English is like a subject, has, have, and then object. But in Hindi, it is completely go as a vice versa. But if you talk about this case has and have, it will remain the same like a English. Okay, it will be subject, has, have plus object. I have a pencil. Now I'm going to read some more sentences with has and have. I have a pencil. मेरे पास एक पेंसिल है. He has a watch. उसके पास घड़ी है. They have beautiful house. उनके पास सुंदर घर है. Now, let us focus here. Pass. So, whenever the subject is keep that object with them or hold or claim that object, we use a pass here. And the other meaning of this watch means ghadi. Okay, beautiful means sundar. Now let us focus rest of the three sentences here. I don't have a book. Do you have a pen? No, I don't have pen. So these kind of sentences are a question mark sentences and negative sentence. So in that kind of sentences also we use a pass in Hindi. Like I don't have book. मेरे पास किताब नहीं है. So subject is trying to say I don't have a book. So what I have explained you previously, there will be a cases when you will use a past but subject will not have any object with them. That time subject is trying to say in the indirect way he doesn't have that an object with them. मेरे पास किताब नहीं है. I don't have a book. Or second is, do you have a pen? When you are trying to ask a question somebody that क्या तुम्हारे पास पेन है? You are asking somebody, do you keep that object with you? If you have answer in no, no, I don't have. That time also we use pass in Hindi. Okay, but pass is being used in the two different form. One is when you claim that you have it, and sometimes when you don't have, you confirm that I don't have. Now, genuine case I have explained here. So when sentence is in interrogative and answer is yes or no, that time also we do use pass also in Hindi. So do you have a car? No, I don't have a car. क्या तुम्हारे पास कार है? नहीं, मेरे पास कार नहीं है. So you can say, understand here, subject is trying to ask a question that do you have a car? So answer is in the no. So translation is क्या तुम्हारे पास कार है? He is saying no, मेरे पास कार नहीं है. So what have we understood? So what have we understood? That in this kind of sentences we use pass in Hindi, but in such interrogative and negative sentence also you can use as a pass. So this is the chart you can see where we can use as a singular and plural. And you can see has is being used with the singular nouns or plural singular pronoun here. Like she has, he has, it has, Andrew has, Alina has, the girl has, the boy has, the man has, my auntie has, my uncle has. So this all is a singular noun and pronoun you use as per their Hindi translation. Like see means uske paas, boys again uske paas, iske paas, Andrew के पास, अलीना के पास, लड़की के पास, लड़के के पास, आदमी के पास, मेरी आंटी के पास, मेरे चाचा के पास. So these all pass you can use as per the singular noun and pronoun. Second is have. So generally, have is considered as a plural. So has can be used for the singular and have can be used for the plural nouns and pronouns. So it will be like I have, you have, we have, they have, the girls have, the boys have, Kelly and Jelly have. So it will be मेरे पास, तुम्हारे पास, हमारे पास, उनके पास, लड़कियों के पास, लड़कों के पास, कैली और जेली के पास. So this we have understood. So hope friends and my dear student you understood the concept of has and have in Hindi. If you not, please comment down me and I will reply your question. So thanks for watching this video and we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye, namaste, jai hind, jai bharat, and please do subscribe this channel and follow me on Instagram. Namaste.